Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Haven't filmed a video in a while, nice to be back. Weather is definitely changing. Notice leaves on the ground, still a lot more to drop, but snow has hit as well. It is cold here, I'm bundled up so you can hear my jacket. This is an end case. This is a 36 count case, clearly a store exclusive case. That's what we're used to with these, whether it was back in the day with Kmart. I think Kroger, you can order cases now, GameStop before, but GameStop is clearly in the past, at least for now, and now it's on to Best Buy. I actually found the Best Buy exclusives, what was it, a week or two ago? Shared them, but then they are also selling the 36 count cases, so I ordered them. They didn't send them to my house. They actually give you a notification and they come to the store. Did the whole curbside thing. They brought it right to me. No big deal. Kind of nice. Here it is. Obviously end case. I don't know if that code is specific to Best Buy or store exclusive. Now, before I open, if you remember, I did a couple of GameStop. They did it once, though, last year and then the year before that. And I think the first year I actually opened two cases, and they were disastrous. Like you could tell there was an outer case, and they had literally thrown 36 cars in. It was not the way that Mattel had planned the assortment. Now, I have no idea if some of the evidence that not just, what I saw with these case unboxings, but a lot of you did the GameStop cases and opened them up to much chagrin. And I know Mattel saw them. Now, I have no idea if that's it. If GameStop just said, we're not interested anymore and don't want to do it, or Best Buy came in and said, we really want to do it. I have no idea, or if Mattel was annoyed with how the GameStop handled it. All I know is it's Best Buy now when it would have been GameStop the last couple of years. So I'm going to open this up. I guess my name is on that, but it's just the Best Buy store that I got it from. So, if you want to figure that out, it's just on 21st here in Salt Lake City and 3rd West. Usually I cover up labels, but when it just has my name on it, that's okay. So let's see what's inside. Obviously, the Best Buy exclusive, they should be inside. The layout, as you see it, suggests that this is an untouched Hot Wheels case with some exclusives inside. We're looking for, the white McLaren, the orange Porsche. I already see the orange Porsche right there. So let's just get right to it and see what we have got inside. And we start with the custom 69 Chevy pickup, the Koenigsegg Gemera, and our first cool find, 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. This is the regular treasure hunt for the end case. Very popular one, obviously, because it is the 22B. In the stores, and I think when you saw the short video I did, they're like little shippers, little mini shippers. And I think they're probably assortments from cases. Obviously, the exclusives were in there. It wasn't a perfect assortment. I found one of each, or multiples of each. I took a set. There might have been some more than another. So I think that this is more of a specific layout, but you might find some variations in the case. But that one's nice to find. I don't know if I saw the treasure. I wasn't really looking for it when I found the exclusive. I was pretty focused on the exclusives. Pagani Zonda, that's a nice car. Obviously, the Lotus Evija is as well, as is the 62 Corvette. So there's 3 new models. Still no exclusive yet, but we know they're here. Max Steel, and then 2 fantastic wagons, the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon and the Nissan Maxima Drift Car. Nice to see those. All right, 2 of the first exclusive. Dodge van in blue, exclusive to the Best Buy case. This was also a super treasure hunt this year. I think this is the second color, right? Purple was the first. And then the McLaren F1, that is another one. We've seen it in black and orange this year to go along with the silver. And then the Leno in black, right? So I love this one in white. I think it's cool. It's super clean. I'll open these up later, but those are highlights. And then the good one, Lancia Delta Integrale, is nice. Okay, 68 Mercury Cougar. Nice to see that one. Toyota Supra. That is the then from the then and now set. And here's your third exclusive. Custom 70 Honda N600. I think it was only in white this year. Am I missing one? We had 2 colors last year, right? We had it in, I know there was that green, and was it cream color, maybe I'm remembering. And then we've had it in white. Now we have it in red this year. Another one like the McLaren, super clean. Love to see that one go premium. Actually, it doesn't need to go premium. I really like it as is. So there's your third exclusive, and we're looking for the Porsche now. We know it's in here, but I don't know how many. Twin Mill, 18 Camaro SS, and the Camaro convertible. Range Rover Classic, Acura NSX recolor, and then the recolor of the Hummer HV. Batman, always a Batman. Volvo 850 Estate in black, really, really cool. That end case had a ton of great wagons. And Batmobile, always a Batmobile. Shelby Cobra 427 SC, Lucid Air, and the Lightning Bug. Dodge Charger. I haven't found the exclusive. It's just one orange. Okay. Donut Drifter, and then the 83 Chevy Silverado. Porsche 935, there is your fourth exclusive. One color of this one, right? In blue? Right, with the lace wheels. I think that's it. Nice to see that one, Porsche 935. I'm trying to think if there was any other color. I do not think so. Oh, no. I was thinking of the other one that was a Target exclusive. So I think that's the second color of each. So third color of the McLaren Dodge van, second color, unless you count the Super Treasure Hunt, which is the third. Custom Honda, I think that's the second, and then the Porsche is also the second. BMW and the Chevy Silverado, and then we finish off 47 Chevy Fleetline in black, the Driftsta. Nice one in purple, and then the Audi 9480 Audi Avant RS2. This is the regular. I know some people have gotten this case and pulled the Super, and some people have found the Super in the shippers as well. I don't remember if I saw this car. I was so focused on the exclusives. I think I would have noticed if the Super was there, but I can't remember if this regular was there. But it has been mixed in. So if you did buy a Best Buy case, I don't know if they're still available. I'll look. If they are, I'll put a link down in the description if you want to buy them and take your chances on the Super. But you will get the exclusives for sure. And based on these four, totally worth it. I don't think there's a weak one in the bunch. Van is fantastic. McLaren's great. Honda and the Porsche, I think they are great. That is the 36 count case. Obviously, if you mail them in, you get the Subaru. I didn't bring it out with me for this unboxing. Probably should have done that, but you can mail it in to get the Subaru, the bug-eyed Subaru WRX, which is a really, really cool model. So, fantastic case. Really great store exclusives. I think Kroger gave us some good ones. Obviously, the Zamex and the Red Editions were cool too, but that's a really nice mix from Best Buy. Between buying this case and seeing those shippers, Best Buy gets the thumbs up, especially compared to GameStop. GameStop was just a disaster. So I don't know whose fault that was, but Best Buy are handling it well, and I think that's great. Hopefully we'll do it again. Thanks, everybody. Bye.